So coming out of World War II into the 1940s, into the 1950s, all the industries made possible by the Defense Plant Corporation set the stage for an incredible American prosperity. Aerospace, electronics, rubber, new chemical industries. But at the same time, this prosperity brought about a new kind of fear. A fear about what this new kind of economy meant. And today we associate that with the farewell speech of President Eisenhower, in which he denounced something he called the military-industrial complex. Eisenhower warned about an unwarranted influence of a growing military-industrial complex and a new scientific technological elite that would endanger our liberties or democratic processes. Now, what's interesting to me is that we can interpret this in two very different ways. And in both ways, we see the origins of the political ideas of the 1960s as that post-war American compact of corporate liberalism begins to fall apart. On the left, we see this critique of the military and industry, of socialized risk and privatized profit, of corporations given undue governmental access. But on the right, we also see a new kind of critique, something that we associate with the cultural critiques of the new right, of a scientific technological elite that had taken over the country, of surveillance technology, of atheistic values, and alienation from the real America, of the end of small business and competition, and then instead the rise of a new corporate overlord. And so as we listen to this speech, we have to understand that two different Americas heard two very different speeches, and both gave rise to the new political ideas of the 1960s.